What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, I went to probably the best Mexican food truck in Louisville, Veronica's. And man, let me show y'all this real quick. Let me show y'all this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Poblano with the cheese in the middle. Chicken. They call it a pizza, but basically a quesadilla. You got your, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Damn, that shit's spicy. We're gonna leave that alone. Damn. You got your other sauces here. I don't know what that is. I can't even get it open. That's decent. Don't know what none of these sauces are. Then you got your little dip over there. That's what I call it, dip. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. We're gonna get back into this. I'm gonna try it out. Let y'all know what I think. Go to first bite, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? That chicken, got onions, cilantro, your cheese. I'm gonna try it without this first. Definitely taste the cheese. That's the first thing you get. Look at that cheese on the back end. Chicken seasoned good. Onions. Cilantro. Taste all of that. And let me try this. Look at that. That's official. Gotta go back in for that. Chicken shredded nice and thin. Oh, I forgot to use my lime. Hold on. Bear with me. Gotta put that on there. Oh yeah. That adds something else to it. My goodness. Many Mexican restaurants I've been to, I never knew that lime added to Mexican food, the flavor to it. Never knew that. Veronica's Burritos and Tacos. I think that's the name. This is crazy. I need to figure these sauces out. Let me see what this one is. Looks a little spicy. It's not bad. It's not that bad. We're gonna dip it in there. Has some heat to it, but not bad. It's actually just what you need, because without it, there's really no spice in the chicken or any sauce on here. So you definitely need to add one of these two. This, I'm leaving alone, because I don't know what this is. I'm assuming, I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, let me see if I can. Do y'all see the little orange? That's probably habaneros, I'm assuming. Because that bad boy is spicy. I think it's with onions in there, I don't know. It's pickled habanero something. I'm gonna leave that shit alone though. I can do this heat. I don't like a lot of heat. I think I ate too much hot fries when I was a kid. But I can do this. I'm over here using the same lime like they ain't give me 6 of them. I gotta go for the dunk again, man. It's a John Morant dunk right there. By itself, I give it like a 8, cool 8. When you add this, takes it up 8.5. When you add, let me see something real quick. I ain't done them all together. We're gonna add this lime. We're gonna add some of this on there. And we're gonna John Morant dunk this bad boy. Ugh. That take it to a 9 right there. That take it to a 9. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you tune in to the channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know where y'all want me to go next, what kind of food y'all want me to try. We got a new hot dog place that opened up down the street. I might go there next, but make sure y'all hit that bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Peace.